Meaning of educative.
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 Educative. The word educative refers to something that is intended or capable of providing education or teaching. It may refer to a person, object, event, or process that has the ability to impart knowledge, skills, or values to others. Educative experiences can lead to personal growth, development, and improvement in cognitive, affective, or psychomotor domains. Educative practices can take different forms, such as formal schooling, informal learning, online courses, apprenticeships, mentoring, or experiential activities. Ultimately, the goal of educative endeavors is to enhance individuals' understanding, competence, and well-being in various aspects of life.